Welcome to the world of Antariksh Crew. Antariksh Crew is one of India's largest real estate corporate, renowned and trustworthy to bring a paradigm shift in lifestyle of masses through their world-class structures. Antariksh Crew has a long way since then with a dream to build values with quality and affordability blended together. Antariksh Crew is a trusted name in construction with a turnover of more than rupees 1,500 crores in the last 5 years and with almost 100% growth rate achieved in each consecutive year since inception. Antariksh Crew is an ISO 9001-2000 certified company. Headed by qualified civil engineers with rich and professional experience of 25 years, Antariksh Group has completed more than 50 residential and commercial projects successfully in and around Delhi NCR.
Women business, buy, build remains always beautiful.
Now making news in the field of commercial malls and mega residential projects, not only in Delhi and NCR, but Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Other states are to be followed soon. The Antariksh Group's turnover has gone beyond 1,500 crores and it's shaping up into a mega real estate corporate which might go public with an IPO soon. The group has already completed more than 50 projects successfully and is engaged into creating infrastructure and developing ultra-modern, state-of-the-art residential units and commercial spaces. Till now, the success mantra of Antariksh Group is under-promise and over-deliver, focusing the masses, range of middle class who also deserve a high standard living in the major cities, but definitely with the affordable price tags.
We at Antariksh Group believe in minimum commitment, maximum delivery to our clients and investors.
With the growing aspiration and affordability level of customers, the group has in the recent past focused in the high-end premium luxury condominium. Antariksh Nature is a new projects in Sector 52, Noida. You will find redefining concept of luxurious living. Fully air-conditioned 3 to 5 bedroom apartment. Villa with clubhouse, swimming pool, gymnasium, jacuzzi, sauna, squash court, billiards, etc. In Antariksh Heights,
Sector 84,
Gurgaon, all recreational activities along with commercial center, primary school for your loved ones. The idea is to identify an exclusive community of like-minded residents who feel proud to own a high-end apartment offering the best features and facilities on par with those available internationally. Antariksh Group, the brand with an assurance to deliver quality with professionalism and customer service is today India's prime real estate company. The group has a vast experience to work with reputed and well-established architects, that is, Consulting Engineering Services India Limited, GC Sharma and Sons, Andley Associates Private Limited, Development Consultant, Vidyarthi and Associates, Design and Design, etc.
Latest technology with commitment of on-time delivery is our motive.
After success of own prestigious projects, that is Antariksh Plaza, Antariksh Overseas Apartment, Antariksh Green Residency, Antariksh Green Doordarshan, Antariksh Green Kaushambi, Antariksh Green Indrapuram, now in Kitty and available with few space left is Antariksh Square, Jaipur, Antariksh Mirage, Jaipur, Swarn Apartments, Greater Noida, Rashi Apartment, Shivalik Apartment, Suruchi Apartments, Apna Villa Apartment, Godrej Apartment, Meghdut Apartment, Mayank Mansion, Jawaharlal Apartment, Management Alumni Apartment, Dabas Apartment, Highland Towers. All projects are in Dwarka and in Gurgaon, Royal Palm Apartment, Skyland Apartment, Shrishti Apartment, Krishna Apartment, Alaknanda Apartment. Not only this, but Sagar Apartment, Patik Vihar, Gaurav Apartment, Alok Vihar 1, Alok Vihar 2 and Alok Vihar Phase 3. Overseas Apartments, Indraprasth Apartment, Gateway Apartment, many more are in pipeline wanting to be unfolded very soon.
The aim of Antariksh Group is to provide very high-end apartment at very low-cost prices.
Antariksh Group has started with a strong foundation of trust and quality in all services, and to this day, company believes in integrity and sincerity at work and efficiency in performance and output. Antariksh Group is a group of simple people who are ambitious, open by nature and believe in direct communication and above all, cooperative, cheerful and friendly. Company assures you for an understanding and do respect your confidentiality and thus maintain privacy. This reiterates our staunch belief in offering clean dealings to our global customers. So come and let's together begin a success story when you choose us to help you with your real estate needs. We care for the world and we do care for you because you are the world who live in homes built by us. sensing tomorrow today.